Project tendering is the process in which organizations or individuals invite bids or proposals from qualified suppliers or contractors for a specific project. It is a way for businesses to find the best contractors for their projects while ensuring transparency and fair competition. In the world of project management, tendering plays a crucial role in selecting the right contractor or supplier. Whether it's a construction project, software development, or any other endeavor, tendering allows organizations to evaluate different suppliers and choose the one that offers the best combination of price, quality, and expertise. The process begins with the organization issuing a tender document, which includes a detailed description of the project scope, requirements, and evaluation criteria. The tender document is usually publicly available, allowing interested contractors or suppliers to review the information and decide whether they want to submit a bid. Contractors who are interested in bidding for the project will then prepare and submit their proposals. These proposals typically include details about their experience, capabilities, pricing, and a timeline for completing the project. The organization will evaluate the submitted bids based on the predetermined evaluation criteria and select the one that best meets their needs. Tendering ensures that the selection process is fair and transparent, as all interested parties have equal opportunities to compete for the project. It also allows the organization to assess different options and make informed decisions based on the proposals received. Overall, project tendering is an essential part of the project management process. It helps organizations find qualified contractors or suppliers, foster healthy competition, and ultimately choose the best partner for their project.